Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from Day Tips and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm speaking about 5 hacks that you can utilize when running Facebook ads for your business. Now, I have done loads of videos in the past on Facebook hacks and I'll leave them in the description down below. If you're new to this channel or you haven't seen my Facebook videos before, then definitely go and check those Facebook videos out. I myself have run Facebook ads very profitably and continue to do so. And also my clients continue to run profitable Facebook ads following some of the hacks that I'm going to be sharing with you today. I didn't just start running Facebook ads and then immediately I started running profitable campaigns. It did take me a while. There were a couple of things I had to do. And there are a couple of steps that you are going to have to take and processes you're going to have to get through in order to start running profitable campaigns. And that's one thing to know from the get-go. There's no magic bullet. You still have to put the work in, even when you're using the strategies that I teach. But fundamentally, the first hack that you should be utilizing when creating Facebook ads is building an audience. You might have a Facebook page, and it's important to remember that Facebook own Instagram. So if you have a Facebook page or you've started a Facebook group or some sort of following on either Facebook or Instagram, then you can use that audience as a targeted audience when you're performing your Facebook ad campaigns. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because not everybody who follows you actually is going to see your posts, but they have followed you for a reason. They followed you because they like your products, they like your services, or they like your content. And chances are they probably will like whatever it is you're trying to sell in your Facebook ads. So if you can reach out to these people again, then not only are these people more interested in buying, but also they are warmer prospects because they've already interacted with your business in some way, shape, or form. And this is also true to your email list as well. So if you have an email list, I preach on this YouTube channel about email marketing, and you guys don't watch my email marketing videos. I look at my analytics and those are my least viewed videos because I know it's a difficult topic to get your head around. But what I will do is I will leave my email marketing playlist in the description down below. If you can build a profitable email list, it will help you in so many ways. Like, I promise you, you're not wasting your time in building your email list. I'll also leave a link to Aweber. That's the email marketing platform that I use. And I'll leave a tutorial that I have on Aweber as well. And you can set that up for free and start your email list. Now you can actually upload your email list to Facebook, to the Facebook Ads Manager. And similar to your Instagram or Facebook following, you can actually target your followers on your email list. And as well as this, you can also target your past website visitors as well, doing pixel retargeting on your website. So if you have a website, maybe you're generating traffic through the search engines or through social media or however you're generating traffic at the moment, a very small percentage of people who visit your site are likely to convert into leads and buyers the very first time they visit your site. So if you have a way to retarget them, then that can help to improve your conversions and the people who actually take action on your website. So what you want to do is use all of these audience options, your following, your email list, your past website visitors, and you can use those as targeting options within Facebook to help you to generate a really profitable campaign. Now, what you can also do is create what's known as a lookalike audience. So a lookalike audience is where Facebook will take your Instagram followers or your email list followers or your past website followers, and they will create another audience and say, hey, look, you've got 1,000 people on your email list, but we know 100,000 people who are very similar to the people who are on your email list. Would you like to promote to these people as well? And that is an audience that Facebook will create for you. Now, my second hack for Facebook ads is really simple, and I really want you guys to start utilizing this if you're struggling with your Facebook marketing for your business. There are so many different creatives that you can utilize when creating your Facebook ads. So what do I mean by creative? Basically, that's what people see before they make the decision to click on your Facebook ad. So your creative could be a video, your creative could be an image, it can be a carousel of loads of different images. And remember, your ad can actually show up on Facebook and on Instagram, and there's multiple different places where your ad can show as well. So you can show up in stories, you can also show up in the feed organically, and the format for these are going to be slightly different. So you might want to create different formats, different videos for the different formats when advertising on Facebook and Instagram. Now, what you want to do, especially if you're new to creating ads for your specific brand, for your product or for your service, you want to ensure that you're actually testing different ad creatives. So maybe you've got one landing page. A landing page, for those of you who might not know, is literally just the page that people land on after they click your ad that you're promoting on Facebook. And that's really important as well. And I'm going to get onto that. But what you want to do is test different ad creatives and see what gets the best results. So you might have a video, you might have a carousel of images, and you might have a single image. And you're running all three of these ads. Maybe you put $5 a day against all of these ads, and you see which one gets the most amount of clicks, see which one gets the most engagement. And then based off of that, let's say, for example, the video is getting a lot of clicks because it's just really engaging. Then you can create, like, maybe you create 3 different videos and you do something different in the videos. Maybe one is really short, maybe one is medium length, one is really long, maybe one is from your phone, maybe one is really well polished, and the other one might be a combination of the two. And you run those 3 video ads and see which one performs better from that. So it's a constant journey of testing your creative and seeing what gets the best results and the best reaction from your target customers. My hack number 3 is another simple one, and that is to choose the right campaign objective. So when you first set up your Facebook ad, it will ask you to choose a campaign objective. And if you are trying to generate sales or leads to your business, which most of you as entrepreneurs will probably want to be doing, then make sure you choose that as your campaign objective, and make sure you have the Facebook pixel properly installed on your website. I do have videos on installing the Facebook pixel for your website. So if you're using Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, whatever platform you're using, it's pretty simple to do it. I'll leave some videos in the description where I've covered how to do this for different platforms. But you want to make sure that you choose the right campaign objective so that Facebook will actually optimize your campaign to achieve your objective. So if your objective is traffic, then Facebook will try and get you the most amount of traffic, but not necessarily the most amount of sales. And if your campaign objective is leads or sales, and Facebook can see via your Facebook pixel that your sales are coming from a specific place and a specific type of people are buying from you, then they will show your ad more to those people and optimize your ad based on those interactions. So you want to make sure that you're choosing the right campaign objective from the get-go, so Facebook know how to optimize your campaign for even better results in the future. Now, my 4th hack for Facebook ads is to really start thinking about the lifetime value of your customer. So someone might come to your website via your Facebook ads and sign up as a lead or make a purchase on your website, and that's great. And a lot of people think that that's the end of the customer journey, when really and truly, that's like really at the beginning of the customer journey. You want to make sure that you're emailing those prospects again, because your past customers are usually your best customers. These are people who are going to buy from you again and again and again. So please don't neglect your email list. Just because someone has bought from you once doesn't mean they won't come back to your website again and buy again. And let's say, for example, someone does come to your website as a result of your Facebook ads and they buy £10 worth of stuff, and you have your email list provider attached to your payment gateway. So when someone buys, they are now on your email list. Then you can email that person. Maybe you're emailing them once a week, and maybe next month they come to your website again and buy £50 worth of products or £50 worth of your service, whatever that is. So you want to make sure that you are keeping the data of your past customers and remarketing to them later on down the line to increase that lifetime value. And my 5th and final hack for Facebook ads is to make sure you're creating dedicated landing pages. So like I explained a little bit earlier, your landing page is the page that someone lands on when they click on your Facebook ad. So when they make the decision, they see your ad in their stories or in their feed, and then they decide to click on your creative, they click on your ad and they land on a page. The first page that they land on, that's your landing page. And a lot of people make the mistake of sending people to their homepage. And you don't want to do this. If you're promoting a specific product in your ad, then make sure people land on that product. So there's a consistency in the customer journey. If someone has to go to your landing page and try and find the product that was in the ad that you promised them, then your conversion rate, or the people who are likely to buy from you as a result of seeing and clicking your ad, that is going to go down. So you want to make the customer journey as easy and as simple as possible. Get people to a page that's not distracting. I speak a lot on this channel about conversion optimization, things you can do to that landing page to help it perform better. But you want to be split testing different things on that page as well. You know, maybe utilizing heat maps. I speak about heat maps on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, by the way, at Daytips, DEYTIPS, I'm sharing a lot of tips on there that, you know, I don't get the chance usually to share on this YouTube channel. So make sure you're following me there as well. And I also have the formula, guys. This is the free guide to generating leads and sales online. I've put my heart and my soul into it so that you can utilize multiple different marketing methods to really get your brand out there, your product or your service. If you're a small business owner and you just want to understand, how do you get your website ranking in Google? How do you run simple Facebook or Google ads? How do you do influencer marketing? And what platform should you be utilizing to create your website? Download the formula. It's going to help you out. I promise. I've written it with so much passion. As you can see, there's a copy right there. And I'll also leave a copy somewhere on this screen and in the description down below as well. And it's completely free. So click the link, download it. But I really do hope that this video on Facebook ads helped you out in some way, shape or form. Do let me know if you have questions. Leave them in the comment section down below. I really want to know what you're struggling with, so I know what type of videos to put out. So your comments really do help me to kind of steer this channel in the way in which you need. But if this video was helpful to you, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Download the formula and I will see you soon.